Okay, hurricane radar? Map is initializing. I'll be right back. Well, I guess here's a storm. Okay. Let's go to map 2. Alerts and news. Loading. Alerts. What is this? Oh, so the storm made landfall in Mars? That's cool. Play. Are you only not going because you don't want to show this on this camera? Because if you don't, I'm going to kill you. Come on. Earthquakes. Earthquakes are no problem. Jeez, everyone's loading. Earthquakes. Where's North America? Oh, North America. Earthquakes. Wait, what? No earthquakes. No earthquakes. What's to do with the earthquakes? Global winds. Oh, let me see this. Wait, what? No, no, the storm's here. No. Let's look at all of us. All right, so we have wind. What's wind accumulation? Let's see what we got in here. Wind accumulation. What is wind accumulation? Obviously, you by me saying wind accumulation, you know I've had this. Oh, as I was saying, you know I had this app for a long time. If I know what a wind accumulation is, and I don't know, and I do not, and I still don't know what wind accumulation is. So, weather warnings. Hello? Wait, what? Okay. You don't, oh yeah. Oh no, wait. Wait, does my stay has a warning? Pressure. Oh, hey guys, you know the song? It's, hold on, wait. Pressure, how'd it go? Oh, wait. CO concentration. Okay. Okay. Dust mask. Oh no, wait, that's dust. Wait, what? Oh, it's dust mask. That's dust mask. I thought that was dust. Let's click on dust mass. It's the same. I clicked on dust mass. Okay. Oh, SO2, S02. What? That's zero. That's zero. S02 mass. I'm not good with science. All right. Ozone layer. Wait, what? What's going on? Give me an ozone layer. Give me an ozone layer. Give me an ozone layer. I'm clicking on that. Give me an ozone layer. So guys, how about we dig a little deeper and use Google? Get out of this dumb weather app. I hate it so much I want to burn it. Burn it to the ground. Get the flip out of here. Ah! Let's check today's weather. Thanks, I guess. Yeah. Here, guys, let's look at some proper news. Thanks. Thanks for taking me out of this dumb thing. I'm waiting. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. Huh? This is some crappy news. Oh yeah, sure. When will Hurricane Dorian hit? Wait, what? SOS alert? This has nothing to do with when it's gonna hit, so like, what's even the point in this? Abaco Islands. Still doesn't say when it's gonna make landfall, so... What? Dora, how could... You know what's worse than Scar in 2019? It's
The sound of it is something quite atrocious. If you say it loud enough, you'll always sound precocious. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Hey guys, I got a video that we can watch. It's about her. You can see from the video. Let's watch it. Is that in volume? Okay. Dang. Hurricane Dora. Maybe I should make a best day ever out of this hurricane. Hurricane Dora. I'll put the best day ever over Hurricane Dora. Over the U.S. Virgin Islands. Why did you guys not evacuate? You dummies. Okay. If you guys are watching this video, you guys are not dummies. This is pretty clean and cool footage. So you guys are actually brave and cool. One of the cool kids are staying at home. I'm staying at home because I'm gonna post videos during the hurricane. Because hopefully we won't have no school. This is. So you guys are not dummies, and yeah. Anyways, I like hurricanes. So. Yeah, I really enjoy hurricanes. I like when I say I like hurricanes, I don't like it when they hit places. Okay, I like their extreme power and their winds, but I just don't like it when I'm not making fun of it when people die, like when it destroys houses. I just like the raw power, like. But not when it hits us as a freaking category 3.